Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to clean up images on your iPhone in iOS 18.1 and later. Let's get into the method. You'll need iOS 18.1 and Apple Intelligence enabled to use this feature, and all you need to do is open the Photos app and then find the image you want to use the cleanup tool on. With the image selected, tap on the edit icon at the bottom. This is the icon to the right of the information button. Now tap on Cleanup from the bottom row, and if this is the first time using the tool, you'll need to wait for it to download, which shouldn't take too long. You can now tap on, circle, or draw on the image to remove or clean up an area. For example, we can remove this tree. With it covered, wait a second or two, and now the image will update. You can now tap on Done at the top if you're happy, or choose Reset to try again, or revert it back to how it was. That's how to clean up images on your iPhone in iOS 18.1 and later. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.